Hey friends, welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge, the podcast where we explore the science, history, and artistry behind the food we eat. I'm your host, Chef Walter, and today we are examining a traditional fat that has been unjustly sidelined in modern cooking. It's called beef tallow. For centuries, beef tallow was a cornerstone of global cuisine. Ancient Romans used it to preserve meats and to fry foods. Medieval Europeans relied on it for cooking, candle making, and even leather conditioning. In early America, tallow was indispensable. Settlers used it for everything from pie crust to waterproofing their boots. Yet, by the late 20th century, tallow had nearly disappeared from kitchens. Flawed nutritional studies demonized the saturated fats, and industrial seed oil took its place. Only now, as modern science reevaluates dietary fats, is tallow reclaiming its rightful role in culinary traditions. Beef tallow is rendered fat primarily sourced from suet, the dense fat surrounding a cow's kidneys and loins. And unlike lard, which is pig fat, tallow has a firmer texture and a higher smoke point, and it makes it ideal for high-heat cooking. The rendering process is simple but extremely precise. Suet is slowly melted at a low heat, strained to remove impurities, and cooled into a smooth, shelf-stable fat. Properly rendered tallow can last up to a year at room temperature, a testament to its stability. Emerging research challenges old assumptions about saturated fats. Beef tallow contains a balanced profile of saturated and monounsaturated fats, including stearic acid, which may support healthy cholesterol levels. It's also rich in conjugated linoleic acid, which stands for CLA, a fatty acid linked to reduce inflammation and improve metabolism. Additionally, tallow provides fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E, and K2, nutrients essential for immune function, bone health, and skin vitality. Grass-fed tallow offers even higher concentrations of those beneficial compounds. Unlike highly processed vegetable oils, tallow is a whole food. Industrial seed oils such as soybean, corn, and canola are often extracted with chemical solvents and prone to oxidation, especially at high temperatures. Tallow, with a smoke point of generally 400 Fahrenheit or even higher, remains stable under heat, reducing the formation of harmful compounds. The shift away from traditional fats like tallow may have contributed to modern health challenges. Reintroducing it into our diets could be a step toward more nourishing, ancestrally aligned eating. And in the kitchen, tallow excels in high heat application, frying, searing, and roasting. It imparts a rich, savory depth to dishes like roasted potatoes, fried chicken, and flaky pastries. Beyond cooking, tallow has non-culinary uses. It's an excellent moisturizer in skincare balms and a natural conditioner for cast iron. To summarize it, dear listeners, beef tallow is more than a nostalgic relic. It's a nutrient-dense, versatile fat with deep roots in culinary tradition. As we move toward a more evidence-based understanding of nutrition, tallow deserves a reconsideration in modern kitchens. And if you're interested in experimenting with tallow, seek out high-quality grass-fed sources. Next time, we'll explore another misunderstood ingredient, perhaps MSG. Until then, may your cooking be thoughtful, your ingredients intentional, and your flavors profound. Eat well. Ciao, ciao.
Experience the richness of Italy with Chef Walter's sustainable culinary tours, where food, wine, history, and culture come together in an unforgettable journey. Designed by the chef himself, these exclusive tours take travelers beyond the typical tourist path, offering authentic experiences in Italy's most celebrated regions. Savor locally sourced cuisine, taste world-class wines straight from the vineyards, and explore historic sites that tell the story of Italy's culinary heritage. With a focus on sustainability, Chef Walter has hand-picked partners who prioritize tradition, quality, and environmental responsibility. Join a tour that's more than just a trip. It's a deep dive into Italy's soul. Reserve your spot today and indulge in an extraordinary culinary adventure.